Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best tools and gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're talking about the DIYSELF 1-pack razor blade scraper, and let me tell you, this tool is an absolute game changer when it comes to cleaning. If you've been struggling with stubborn gunk on your stovetop, oven, or glass surfaces, the DIYSELF razor blade scraper could be the solution you've been looking for. It's considered one of the best ZEP stove and oven cleaners in its category, offering serious cleaning power with just a few simple swipes. First off, let's talk about what you get with this tool. You'll find that it comes with a handy razor blade scraper, 10 extra 4-inch razor blades, and even a portable storage box to keep everything neatly organized. Whether you're dealing with greasy stovetops, tough paint splatters, or pesky sticker residue, this versatile tool is designed to tackle all of that and more. The design is simple but incredibly effective, and the ergonomic handle ensures that you'll be comfortable during extended cleaning sessions. The 4-inch wide blade gives you a larger surface area to clean with each swipe, making the process faster and more efficient. The real selling point of this scraper is how easy it is to replace the blades. The scraper features a user-friendly locking and release mechanism, which allows you to change the blade with just the push of a button. No tools needed. Plus, it comes with a secure storage box, so you can safely store extra blades and avoid any accidental cuts. The blades are made of high-carbon steel, ensuring they're durable enough to handle all the grime you're trying to scrape off. What really sets this scraper apart is its versatility. It's not just for your kitchen. You can use it to remove glue, stickers, and decals from windows, glass, and other surfaces. It's a tool that truly lives up to its name, whether you're cleaning at home or working on a DIY project. Durability is another strong suit of the DIYSELF razor blade scraper. Constructed from premium PP engineering plastic and high-carbon steel, it's built to last. This scraper isn't going to break or bend easily, even with heavy-duty use. It's a solid investment if you're tired of cleaning supplies that wear out too quickly. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use scraper that handles all sorts of messes around your home, the DIYSELF razor blade scraper is definitely worth considering. From cleaning your stove to removing paint or stickers, this tool covers all the bases, and it's priced affordably too. So, if you're ready to elevate your cleaning game, don't miss out on this one. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.